Deviled egg spread in the Deluxe Multi Cooker. We're going to do that right now. So the first thing that we're going to do is in our multi cooker, we're going to put our rack. Then we're going to add 1 cup of water. And then we're going to take the eggs and place them on the rack. I've got 6 eggs. So we'll place them around on the rack. Just like we'll put the lid on. And then we're going to select egg. Then we're going to press and hold the and then that's going to build up to pressure. Once that builds up to pressure, it's going to cook for 12 minutes. Then we're going to take the eggs out and we're going to dump them into some cold water so they'll peel easily. And then I'll show you how we're going to make the deviled egg spread. I'm going to show you that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you here. If you're a first-time visitor, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. We appreciate it. And we are here doing deviled egg spread today on Cooking with Chef Fred. I am Chef Fred, your Pampered Chef consultant. And we are using the Deluxe Multi Cooker today to do the eggs in, and got some good information about the multi cooker. It's on sale this particular month, depending on when you're watching this video. If you're watching it in January of 2024, it is on sale. You can get it for $100 off this month. It's normally $2.99. You can get it for $1.99. And if you don't want to pay that, you can host a party. If you just get up with me in the comments below, type host, and I'll get the information to you and share with you how you can get it at even a bigger discount by hosting an online party with me. So we're going to get back into the cooking of these eggs and see how it turns out, okay? And then we're going to select egg. Then we're going to press and hold the now it's building up to pressure, and you'll see the little red piece right there will start to come up. And now it's built up to pressure, and it's going to start the cooking countdown. The time has started. The 12 minutes, we'll do a countdown of the 12 minutes, and then they'll be ready to come out. So now I'm going to make an ice bath. Done some cold water in a bowl with some ice that we're going to plunge them into to stop the cooking process once they come out of the pressure cooker. Okay, we're getting down to the countdown here, and any second now, the timer will go off. And there it ends. So what we'll do now is hit the X button to cancel it out. And then we are going to hit the steam button, and the steam will start to release at the top, and we'll do a natural release. There it goes. Now we're ready to open the lid. Set aside, and then there's our eggs. And we're going to take our whisking tongs and grab a hold of an egg and put it into the ice bath. Now we'll do this for all of the eggs. The whisking tongs make it real easy to grab a hold of them. Right now, they've cooled off. We're going to crack them. And then after we crack them, you can see how easy, because we use the ice bath, you can see how easy they peel. Comes right out perfectly boiled egg, peeled nicely. Okay, we've done the cooking and the multi-cooker, and I've got six perfectly cooked boiled eggs that you can see how nice they are and that they've peeled really easy. And now we're going to put them in the manual food processor to make deviled egg spread. So let's do it right now. Okay, so we've got our manual food processor. We're going to put some eggs in here. And we've got nice chopped up egg now. Okay, now we're going to add some salt to our eggs, some cracked black pepper, and then we've got to have the Deluxe mayo. Got to have that. So we're going to put a dollop of mayo in there. And then we're going to give that a nice stir up. And just like that, we've got egg salad to eat on a sandwich. Do you like egg salad? Have you ever had egg salad before? It's really, really good. So here it is, our egg salad that we made this afternoon. Nice and stirred up. It smells really good. Smells delicioso. So this is Chef Fred, your pepper chef consultant, saying go cook something great. Bon appetit. We'll see you in the next video, guys.